Hello everyone, welcome back to our Shopify store design full course. In this class we are going to learn how to add a section like this one. You see, we are going to add a section like this one, and in previous we have add slider section and shop by category, so collection section with displaying the total item of each categories. Also add a product section. Okay, and we have discussed about to add a section like, let me show you, like this one with a quick view, and add a quick view pop-up like this one. And I'm still working to add this pchart on this theme with custom code, but it will take too much time because it's very advanced pchart and need time to complete this process or complete this section. That's why we are going to move forward and start working, make a section like this one. Okay, to make a section like this one, before start we have to discuss about this section. So in here we can see that they have added the images in very nice way. Looks here, they have added 4 images and the structure is very eye-catching and awesome. So by default, as a beginner, you may start working with code or start coding to make a section like this one, but if we inspect it, then we can see something different. For example, click on the inspect, then if I click on it, you see this total image section added via image. Looks here, they just added one image, you see. So we don't have to write code for each image and add image border and image margin padding like so, also the image position. And that's why we have to be clever on coding and designing. If we can show the result with ready image, then we don't have to write any complex or extra code for that. And by image we can present it very nice way, but there have some negative issue. If I use image instead of code, then it will affect on site load. So when we add image, then we have to remember about the actual image size of this layout. Also the optimization of image make it SEO friendly, so we have to resize the image and optimize the image for that. So it's super easy for us to make a section like this one. It's very easy, and right now I'm going to do this. Okay, so go to my website. We're working on here. This is the admin panel of this website. Then click online store. Okay, then click on customize. Okay, and I have started working with this section, add a section with pop-up, and you see, that's why you see custom featured product. And right now I'm going to delete it from here and going to add a section like this one. Okay, that will be super easy. Just click on add section, then image with text. You have to find out image with text, search image, and you see image with text. That will be very relevant to make a section like this one. So first we are going to add image, going to download this image. You must have to use your own image. I just show you or downloading this image to show you the design process. Okay, then click on the select image, upload this image, upload this image in here. Okay, click on the done. Perfect. And now we have to set the image. So first of all, we are going to make image ratio size auto. Okay, fill fit. Okay, fill looks good. And then we have to move it on the right side. As you see, the image on the right side, so we are going to move it on the right side. Perfect. And then going to add the text. So add text in here under the group, add new block, button image text, title custom. Okay, basic button heading, we are going to add heading in here. Heading, make it bold, and then move it on the top. Okay, then add this title. Very easy job. Click on the heading, click on here, paste our content. Okay, perfect. Then add this text, under the text section, make it fill. We are going to fix the text breakdown. Okay, perfect. Okay, normal. Yes, now it looks good. Then we have to add shop now button. Add shop now button, shop now. It's okay, primary. Desktop size, we have to work for color, but before that we are going to work on the size of this section. So vertical on mobile alignment, it's okay, full width. Yes, and height large. Then make it page, and padding top 0, bottom 0, medium. Perfect. And also we have to add padding for here, especially for this section. Button, yes, or make it 16. Yeah, also add padding for this section. Button, perfect. And then going to work on the button, custom width. Okay, perfect. Still primary, secondary. Okay, we'll work for style in later. For now, just set up it, make it bold, click on the save, and go back our store. Wow, looks very neat and clean, but we have to work for here to remove the space. So what we can do, click on the image with text. Okay, height, everything all right. Then click on the group. On group, we have to find out position center, perfect, gap, keep it as it, width, fill, fit, Yes. Okay, now it looks good. For custom it's not looks good, we can make it fit. That looks nice and professional. Okay, and finally click on the save. Also you can see that there have multiple options to change the position based on your requirement, so it's super easy to make a section like our reference demo. And you have to work on the typography. You have to change the font family. With 100%. Okay, you can make it 80%. Yes, now it will be perfect. Feel that looks more good. Click on the save and finally reload again. Okay, so we must have to add some custom code for that, otherwise it will not be work as we expect, because always the ready section is not fit for us. So we have to work with custom code. We just set up it based on our the existing section. So we can create another section for this design. See here, we can create another section. Also we have to work on the button, make a button like this one. If I go to the top, click on here, button primary, Shopify hero. Okay, so now go back, and after that we have to add the testimonial. And in the previous and in the next tutorials we will start working to make a custom testimonial like this one, make a exact design like this one. So thank you so much again, and if you think this video is helpful for you, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel.